Hey everybody, this is Joe. Thank you for watching my Giga Texas construction update video. Today is a special day and I'd like to dedicate this video to the crew of Inspiration4 as they get ready to launch later today. They will be inspiring millions of people across the world, and I wish them the safest of launches, a successful mission, and a safe return. And out at Giga Texas, the work and the progress was inspiring as well, with a lot of progress all over the place. We'll go through a few highlighted areas, but there's so much to see. I recommend you look at the entire video as well. Starting out in that area between the paint shop and the battery cell, we see the steel structures completed. Floor and roof decking is almost completely installed as well, and just a lot of progress in this area. In the general assembly structure on the west side, we see more of the large glass panels and also wall panels being installed, approaching that angled corner at the south. At the upper right-hand corner photo, you see some of those crossing guards helping with the Tesla employees finding parking and getting into the building. And on the south end, we see that perimeter-grade beam work being completed on that south end. In the central area, we see a lot of progress with those huge column footings in the pit and also on the shoulders nearest the body in white building, and a lot of concrete's being poured as well. The right-hand corner photo, you see the water vaults. These are being stored on the far east side. I believe these are going to be installed inside the pit, similar to other areas, and this will be part of the million-gallon underwater rainwater storage system that we heard about in the impact report. In the casting area, we see a lot of great progress as well. The steel structure in that bridge area between the casting structure and the paint shop is almost completed, as well as the roof and the roof decking. And also looking down inside, we see the progress on the two casting machine foundations, and we also see the GigaPress number 3 assembly continuing. Along the east side of the body in white structure, we see a lot of the preparation work for the driveways and parking areas. And in the bottom right-hand corner photo, we see that rebar area getting ready for concrete to be poured. A little farther to the east, we see the old robotic machine storage area being dismantled and all of the structures being dismantled and moved away, some of them over to the east side. And we see the new tent being installed here by the food court area. I believe this is to accommodate both the Tesla and the contractor workers as the number of workers on site grows. And even further east to that large storage and staging area, we see a lot of activity, a lot of materials, and in the upper right-hand corner photo with the arrows, this is where the water vaults are being stored that will be going to the central area. So that's a quick review of some of the key areas around the site I wanted to show you today. There's a lot more in the video. Also, if you get a chance, watch the Inspiration4 crew launch tonight. It is a historic mission and it should be outstanding to see. Before we begin, I would like to say thank you to my patrons for your generous support. Patreon members get access to high-resolution photos, previews, and direct dialogue with me. If you would like to support my channel, please consider becoming a patron using this link, which is also in the video description. Please also consider subscribing and hitting the like button. Thanks. My drones are ready and raring to go. Let's go flying over Giga Texas.